Need to transfer money into your Chime account from another bank? I will show you exactly how to link your bank to Chime in just a few easy steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I'm going to teach you how to link an external bank account to Chime. It's a quick and easy process, so be sure to follow along. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Chime mobile banking app. You can update it through Play Store or App Store to avoid any issues. Now, once your app is up to date, sign in to your Chime account, and then you have to do is just tap this move money, and after that you can see the option that says transfer from other banks. It is the second option from the top. Just click on it. Now all you have to do is tap on link your external account. Now Chime will ask for permission to use Plate, a secure service for connecting bank accounts, and then you have to agree and continue. Now you will see a list of banks that are compatible with Plate. Now select the bank you want to link. Let's say I want to link Huntington Bank, and now all I have to do is just enter the username and password. Now then click submit, and here you will also need to verify your identity, usually through text, phone, or email, depending on your bank security settings. As long as you use valid credential, the bank accounts will be successfully linked. And once linked, now you can transfer your funds from the external bank into your Chime account at any time. And you can also link multiple bank accounts by repeating this process. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.